Jordan, come get the football. Here you go.
It's harder to scoot on the snow.
Oh, it's hard work. You can do it. You can do it.
You want to call Passy?
Oh, eating the snow. Do you like that snow? Tasty?
There you go.
Such a hard worker.
This snow's better for this one in the sun.
Where are you going? You're just gonna keep scooting? But there's a football underneath you. That's why it's hard. Were you coming to get Mama? Oh, hard working boy. Oh, where are you
Are
going?
you videotaping it?
Yep. Where are you going, Jordan?
My goodness, this is how sticky this is. Look at it.
Oh no, you're gonna smash your face into it, Daddy, help!
Don't do it, Jordan.